All right, Janet, here's your 153rd scale diecast school bus model that you ordered. I'm not going to go into great description of who and why because, well, anyway, we'll leave it at that. It's a gift, that's why. A 153rd scale, like I said, a lot of different style or companies use this frame and everything for their bus. Not going to go into that either. I just refer to it. One is the FS-65, kind of keep it general. Description down to the minimum because I always get corrected and I'll probably get corrected again, but anyway, you asked for headlights, reds and yellows, flashers on here, tail lights as well, like I said, for your gift recipient. This one has an internal battery. Normally I put the little small battery right here underneath. This one has an internal battery which will make it run a whole lot longer and be less expensive to replace it. It's just a standard 9-volt battery. I went ahead and blacked the windows out as you asked. I did leave the front seats section and everything in here, the driver's seat, and the door's still open. Everything else is functional just like it should be. Freewheeling model. You didn't want the, what do they call it, pull and go or whatever they call those. Anyway, the spring-loaded motorized little buses. So as you can see, it does roll freely. The doors, as I mentioned, do open. I always have problems with this, but I can't ever get the second one open with my finger, but both doors, passenger doors, do swing open. There we go. Use the screwdriver, it helps a little bit. There we go. The emergency door does not open on these models. So anyway, again, tail lights and all the flashers and everything. Underneath where the switches are at, the center one right here is your head and tail lights. All right. Turn that back off to let the other one show better. Again, these are true alternating, wigwag, however you want to call them. Yellows and reds on this. It's a little circuit board that I build to provide those slick patterns. It's reds. Same difference, or same thing, same result, or you want to call it. I sound tired because it's very early in the morning / late in the morning for me. So you see those, of course, all of them will operate at the same time if you so desire, if you want to run the reds and yellows. Now the reds and yellows will be on a different rate unless you time it just right, because the circuit boards are 2 separate circuit boards that operate those. But give you an idea of maybe why those are flashing in a weird pattern. They do stay true wigwag, but it's just the idea that they're on 2 separate circuit boards that cause the timing to be off a little bit. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order for that. And then I also said I would include another little bus as a surprise, as a gift from me. Same scale size as the original one. You can see those sitting side by side there. A couple of differences. Again, I'm not trying to pass this off as some kind of big fancy high-dollar bus model, because it's not. So I'm not, but anyway, just something extra. He said I think he's starting a collection, so I just wanted to add it to it for you guys and as a birthday gift. So I went ahead and lettered it also at the same school. Changed the bus number on this one because you don't need 2 bus number 6s. So I put it a 4. I put a 4 on this one to make it a little bit different in the fleet. So if you park them side by side. Didn't black out the windows or anything on this. Didn't go into great detail. You'll see a few extra things on the bottom here. Holes for a speaker and also small watch style batteries is what this uses. And again, I'm not trying to pass this off as anything fancy. I didn't do anything to this except add the lettering for you. So first off, you press down on the front end. Hear the bus start, go into an idle. Horn blows a couple times. And then if you open the side door on this, you get air brakes. So I thought it was pretty cool. Like I said, it's just something that I bought to add every now and then to a birthday gift or something when someone orders a lighted bus. So just wanted to add that to the mix. Now, if anyone sees this video and wants to order one of these, I will add the lettering and everything for these for you. Like I said, send me a message and we can talk. So anyway, let's put the star of the show back in front here. Turn some lights on it. And again, I appreciate it. And when the gift recipient sees this video, you allow him to see the video. Happy birthday to you as well. Thank you very much. And thank you for being a subscriber too.